Good morning, friends and viewers. Today is basically a cleaning day. I have unplugged and removed all the solar panels and removing the concrete dirt from the solar panels because it's affecting the output of the solar panels. So you can see I am slowly trying to remove the dirt from the panels. Yeah, it's a very hard work, but anyhow we have to do it. So here I am showing you, see, these are the dots, concrete dots, splits you can say. So during a building work, this type of dart, concrete dart has been placed on my solar panels. So I am removing total, five panels. Now you can seeing it. So small panel total I am having around 8 panels. So 5 panels has been cleaned. Another 3 panels working on it. So each panel 125 watt and these are the today's sky is very cloudy. Anytime can be rain comes. We don't know. Very cloudy sky. You can see very cloudy sky. Anyhow, the peoples came on my request, so they are going to help me to build the solar set. So my plan is to keep all the solar panels around 8 to 10 meter up from the roof. Previously, if you are following my videos, you know that I kept all the solar panels on the directly on the roof. So I do want to remove all those. So I removed all those solar panels, and I will place on the uh, height, so that below the ground or the roof will be clear, so we can do some other activities like gardening and something like that. So peoples are very much working, hard working peoples. The inter plan is mine, so they are following my plan, so that it can be done. So one pillar has been placed, second pillar also placed. They very soon they are going to and all the solar panels I have kept up. So three solar, these are the big solar panels, 400 watt, three solar panels, and rest of the solar panels are 125 watt. So total need capacity we can say I am getting 1700 watt. So thank you friends for viewing. Next time I will show another update. Thank you. Bye. Keep safe, keep charge.